Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you active and passive voice part 3. Already we have seen the change of active to passive in statement, and we have seen active to passive in continuous tense also. Now we shall see in imperative. Okay, imperative sentence does not have a subject, Directly it starts with an action verb. You have to note down this point. Use let for positive sentence and let dash not for negative sentence. Example, open the door. It is positive form, is it? So rule 1 is write the word let first when it is positive sentence. So we are writing let. Rule 2, identify the object and write it after the word let. So what is the object here? Door. Let the door. Rule 3, add the word be after the object. So it will come let the door be. Rule 4, you see, write the past participle, that is verb 3 of the given verb. So for completion we get let the door be opened. Coming to the next, negative sentence. Negative sentence means sentences having no, not, nothing, never. Okay. Example, you see, don't open the door. It is negative form. So rule 1 will be like this. Write the word let not first when it is negative sentence. Let not. Rule 2, identify the object and write it after the word let. So it will be let not the door. Rule 3, add the word be after the object as you have done for the positive sentence. Let not the door be. Now rule 4, for completion we are using write the past participle, that is verb 3 of the given verb. Let not the door be opened. See? The next example, close the door. What are the steps? You see, interchange the subject and object, that is the door. Add let or let not. Here let only you should use. Let the door. Add be form, let the door be. Change the verb into past participle, let the door be closed. Now coming to do not close the door, that is negative form. Here also the same steps, only thing you have to use let the door not. Okay, so interchange the subject and object, add let not, add the be form, change the verb into past participle. So let the door not be closed. Similarly, we will see some other examples. Do it at once. Let it be done at once. Don't plug the flower. Let the flower not be plugged. Give the pen. Let the pen be given. Pour the water. Let the water be poured. Don't spill the ink. Let not the ink be spilt. Don't plug the flowers. Let not the flowers be plugged. Sometimes, according to the sentence type, the passive voice may be modified. For example, you see, note down these changes. Please close the door. That is request. So you should write you are requested to close the door. In passive voice you have to write you are requested to close the door. You must work hard. In active voice it is advice. So you are advised to work hard. Advice spelling ADVISED. Okay. Shut up. There is warning. You are warned to keep quiet. May God bless you. It is a blessing. So may you be blessed by God in passive voice. Now coming to the last one, let us finish the work. It is suggestion. Let comes means it is suggestion. It is suggested that the work should be finished by us. Next we shall move on to active to passive voice interrogative. What do you mean by interrogative? Questions. Example, who broke the window? Question mark is there. The same way when you change into passive voice, by whom was the window broken? So by whom will always come in the first place. Rule 1, you see, question should be in question form only. Who changes as by whom. Rule 2, you see, identify the tense. Now who broke, that is past tense. Broke is past tense of break. Rule 3, apply the rule according to the tense. Was for singular, were for plural, plus past participle, that is third form of the verb. So it will come was broken because one window was broken. Rule 4, you see, the object will come after the be verb and before the past participle, that is was the window broken. So rule 5, you see, put the question mark at the end. By whom was the window broken? Now see in the box. Who closed the door? Change the subject, the pronoun. Who closed the door? You see the steps. Change the subject, that is the pronoun, no? So pronoun as per the table. So whom will come. Add preposition by. By whom? Okay. Add be form. By whom it was closed. Change the verb into past participle. By whom was closed the door. Put the object before verb. By whom was the door closed. So you should follow the steps. It will be easy for you. Similarly, we shall see some more examples. Which pen do you like? Which pen is liked by you in passive voice. Okay, in active voice, are you drawing the picture? How will it change? Is the picture, because picture one single picture. So, is the picture being drawn by you? Do you visit my house? How will it change? In passive voice, is my house visited by you? What did you do? In passive voice, what was done by you? What will you do? What will be done by you? Do you like coffee? Is the coffee liked by you? Were you playing the guitar? Was the guitar being played by you? When ing form is there, you have to use being. We shall see some special cases. Dear students, sentences with modal verbs. Already we have seen modals. What are modals? You know, supporting verbs. May, might, shall, should, will, would, can, could, must. Okay. First one, you see, the teacher may punish you. How will the answer be? You may be punished by the teacher. Second one, she might bring it. So the object, it must come. It might be brought by her. Third one, you see, can you do this sum? So how will it come? Can this sum be done by you? Fourth one, you see, the peon would have rung the bell. Answer, you see, the bell would have been rung by the peon. Fifth one, you should obey the traffic rule. The traffic rule should be obeyed by you. Now coming to sentences with phrasal preposition. That means group of words conveying one meaning. First one, you see, the mother looked after the child. You should not separate those words. Okay. The mother looked after the child. The child was looked after by her mother. Okay. Second one, the bus ran over the dog. The dog was run over by the bus. At this juncture, you must know what do you mean by infinitives. So when infinitives are there, means what should be done? Infinitives means to plus verb. So in infinitive words, you should add be after to and use the verb 3 form. Let's see the examples. In active voice, you see, this house is to let. So how will it change? In the passive voice, this house is to be let. Second one, you see, I hope to finish the work soon. This work is hoped to be finished soon. Third one, you see, ladies like men to flatter them. Ladies like to be flattered by men. What do you mean by flattered? False praises. Okay. Praising falsely. Then, we are here to do this job. This job is to be done by us here. See, you are not supposed to leave even one single word. Every word must be found in the passive voice also. He is going to complete the job. The job is going to be completed. Let's move on to the next sentences with nobody, no one, anybody. In active voice, you see, nobody has teased her. Teased means, you know, making fun. So passive voice, she has not been. Has, have, had comes means you have to use been. So what will be the answer here? She has not been teased by anybody. So nobody will become anybody when it comes to the object place. She has done nothing. Nothing has been done by her. Do not hate anyone. Let not anyone be hated. I know everything. Everything is known by me. Already we have seen many examples. Anyway, for the final touches, we'll see this one. Some more special examples. You see in the active voice, he decided to sell the house. So passive voice, it will be he decided that the house be sold. The to will become that. He decided that the house be sold. Now be quiet. You are requested to be quiet. Then it is time to commence the match. What do you mean by commence? To begin. It is time for the match to be commenced. So dear students, hope you have understood the changing of active to passive voice in all the stages I have taught you. Hope you have understood well. Please revise the portions. Next class I shall continue. So with this I complete active to passive voice. Thank you.